Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you the volleyball match in our university, King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals. The students are playing the volleyball match in which one university is the Dammam University, which is DAU. So versus some other university, which I believe is King Faisal University. So you can see the whistle, and this is the first throw the sportsmen have taken in the volleyball. Volleyball is very good for the health, especially for the strength of the hands and the arms. So these students or shabab are playing volleyball. You can see them and you can witness them. So once the volleyball is thrown, like from this starting point, you can see this shabab will throw the volleyball and he can try to make a point on the other end, so his university team can win the match. So you can see the coach is there, the sports injury staff is present, and you can see the staff, which are some people sitting over there on the big sofas or couches or couches. So you can see there are spectators or audience sitting here, which I'm going close to show you. So Shabab, you can see the spectators. These desks are for the spectators. If you are a spectator, you can sit over there or you can sit on them. So this is the volleyball and this is our referee, and he's holding a red flag, and this coach is taking some doses for some Shabab. So yes, the team has scored the point and they're cheering up. Now I will show you some snacks available here, which I will eat, or you can eat here if you are present or you join our university. These shababs are doing some exercise as a warm-up match. So you can see them doing exercise, and this volleyball match is continued again in our university. So this is the sports culture in a university, which you can see that, and it's very healthy for the physical and mental development of the students. So these are the King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals logos, which are mentioned over there, and again the ball is thrown in the air. The shabab took the try, and you can see they are throwing the ball on the other end, and here you can see there is a score. So now these shababs are doing exercise, so you can also exercise, which is very good for health. You can see this is the KFUPM team, which is mentioned on their shirts. So this vlog is in the parts, so it have also other parts. This is the sports part of this vlog. Now in the next part of my vlog, I will show you some other aspects. So let's move toward the other part of the vlog until this exercise finish, and you can also try this exercise at your home. So in the other part of the vlog, which is after this sports part, I will show you there is some counseling session of the students by the president of university, Dr. Saga. So this is the environment in a university, and this is a recreational ice cream bus provided to us, where we can eat ice cream for the free. So luckily I ate two ice creams which are completely free. So if you really want to join this university and have fun in our university, you are welcome to join. And if you have any questions or concerns, just mention them here. So this is our ice cream bus where we can eat the ice cream. So this shabab is taking ice cream, this student. So in this career counseling session by the university, a lot of students are there. So now you can see that we are moving towards the line where we will wait for taking or eating the ice cream. So if you just allow me to focus on these students or shabab, then I can show you where is the ice cream bus, and I'm standing in the line or queue to eat the ice cream. So this is the ice cream truck, and there are a lot of people in front of me, and I'm waiting for my turn so I can eat the ice cream. So now I will stop and I will show you when I get the turn. This is our KFUPM security, our university security buses, and these are some local students or Saudi students. So in this line, I'm waiting for my turn to come, and you can see here is my turn, and I'm waiting for my ice cream. I'm very close to this. The last person after me, then I will eat before this. So this is the person giving ice cream. Now in the other part, I'm showing you one experiment which I ran in my experiment. I'm from chemical engineering background, so I'm working on some fuels properties. So this is a condenser, and I'm doing some experiment in this vlog, which I'm showing you in our lab. So this is related to my experiment. In the last part of the vlog, I will take you to the open house or the job fair. This is our university bus. You can see the King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals. This is the open house. This is the convention center. Then I'm going to enter into the open house or career fair counseling session. I will take you inside. This its name is Al Yawmul of Tata. So I don't know what does it exactly mean, but it's open house or career or job fair where a lot of companies like Saudi Aramco, STC as mentioned in this title will come. This is my entry card or the visitor card. Now I will take some juice from this machine which is for free. So I will take two juices from there and I will eat them or drink them for free. Now you can take some kahwa from this Habibi or this brother. This is STC company booth where they are guiding the students related to the jobs and the market potentials or availabilities of positions or COP training. There is one cooperative training, 1 year or 2 year training given to the graduates. So if you are a graduate, you can grab this opportunity from this career fair. So now I'm moving in the career fair in our exhibition hall. But remember, most of these jobs are for local people. This is Schlumberger, the most famous oil and gas company desk, and a lot of students want to join this organization. Now this is some other company desk or booth where students are getting information about their job, giving their CVs. This is air liquid. If you are from some flow kind of field, you can join it. This is Taka. This is related to oil and gas. These are helmets. You can see the wonderful place this is. And then this is the national company for something, I don't know its name. You can see this person. He's from some good organization. Then the people sitting here talking to each other, drinking coffee. Now I will show you the Communication and Information Technology Commission Board. Then this is the Riyadh Bank desk of the booth. You can join Riyadh Bank, which is very fetch time. Now the next is safety is our true north. You can see this part. This is the Saudi Aramco, the biggest oil and gas company in the world, which was just recently came the top organization with respect to the wealth, succeeding the Amazon and becoming the top company. Now I'm changing it to English so I can show you how graduates can apply to this Saudi Aramco company and grab a job opportunity here. But as I said, they need local students. But for the international, they need experience with them. This is Saudi Aramco written on this board. Then this is the top company of this country. You can see how much beautiful and the top kind of booth they have. The biggest booth and the most beautifully decorated booth they have. And now I will try to grab some chocolates from here. 1, 2, 3. And this is all the chocolates I took. And this is your opinion matters kind of desk. And they have special arrangements for special people. Now I'm taking you to have a view of the open house. This is the Saudi Aramco booth in our open house job or career fair. So this is the engineer working in their company. So the conditions are tough in the company. So this is the procedure for Saudi nationals to apply. If you are a local student, you can also get some guide from this. Now this is the booth for the General Authority for Military Industries. You can join the military industries of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So you can get some information from here. So brothers and sisters, let's keep moving and I will show you the last booth which is related to leader in water desalination working in whole Middle East. Other than Kingdom, they are working in Egypt, they are working in Emirates, they are working in other countries of the Middle East. So this is all about today's video.